If you take some out-of-date milk, put some soil in it and mix. Then you'll have a natural fertilizer for your plants. If you take some peas, put them in water and wait 3 days, then you'll be able to germinate them and enjoy them in your dishes. If you put a lemon seed in an egg filled with soil, you'll be able to grow your own lemon tree. If the leaves on your plants are damaged, put some rusty nails in a bottle of water. Leave to soak overnight. Then water your plants with this mixture. The iron it contains helps oxygenate your plants. If you take an ice cream cone, fill it with soil and put a seed inside, it will feed on the cone and grow 3 times as fast. If you take some green onion stalks, put them in an egg carton and soak them in water, you'll be able to grow them again, free of charge and ad infinitum. If the soil in your garden is too dry, make holes in a plastic bottle, bury it in your garden, and fill it with water. This will distribute the moisture evenly. If you made it this far, comment on which city you saw this video from. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and pick up your free gardening guide on my profile.